Perplexity is by far the most powerful AI search engine. You can use natural language to search the internet. That's pretty awesome. What's cool is they have an API where you can build powerful applications using their search, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the Tempo MCP App Store, Perplexity AI. Let's get to building. So I'm going to be visiting San Francisco soon, and I would love to know what places I need to visit, what food spots I need to check out, and I want to use Perplexity's API to build this. So let's get started. So here I am on Tempo. We're going to click Generate an App, and I'm brought to this text box where I can prompt what I want to build, but I really just want to start from a fresh template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that Vite is selected because I want to use React Vite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Next, and what Tempo is going to do is going to spin up like a bare bones basic React Vite app, and it's from this standpoint we're going to build our application. So I have my bare bones app. As you can see, there's nothing there. First things first, I want to start off with integrating Perplexity. So I go to the App Store, and then it tells me here, in order to connect third-party services, I need to set up my Supabase project. So I'm going to click on Supabase, and then it tells me here I need to connect Supabase. If I go to my Supabase account, if you don't have one, go to supabase.com and make one. You can see that I have two projects here under the organization Exodus Inc. I want to use new-MCP for this website that I want to build. So I'm going to go back to Tempo, and I'm going to click Connect Supabase. And what's going to happen is a pop-up is going to pop on your screen, or a new tab is going to open, and you're going to be asked to give Tempo access to the specific organization and project. Remember, I told you it was under Exodus Inc., so I authorized it access to Exodus Inc., and then it's going to take me back to Tempo. And you're going to see that I'm going to have the option to specify which project I want to build with. So back in Tempo, it's asking me, do I want to work with CMS or new MCP? I want to work with new MCP. So I click it and I click Connect. And in just a few seconds, I'll have Supabase integrated with my Tempo project, ready to set up my Perplexity MCP, and it's just going to be smooth sailing from here. So coming back to the App Store, you're going to see now it tells me I haven't installed any apps and I can browse. I'll click on Browse. I have access to 40 plus integrations. This is why Tempo is easily the best place to build production applications. I'm going to be searching Perplexity because that's what I want to use. I'll click on Perplexity. This pop-up comes up and it's asking me for an API key. So I want you to go to perplexity.ai, create an account, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to API keys. You're then going to click Create Key. I did that, and you can see this is my Perplexity API key. So I copy this key, I'm going to paste it here, and click on Connect. And what's going to happen is Tempo is going to connect with my Perplexity account, and as you can see, I have the Perplexity MCP app installed. So now I go back to AI chat, and I'm going to start building. So here's my prompt. I want to build a travel/vacation planner using Perplexity. I will give you where I'm going, what days I'll be there, and what my budget is. You'll tell me what spots to visit, what days, and where to eat, etc. Simple prompt. We're going to hit enter, and you're going to see Tempo build this application with Perplexity, and we're going to show you how easy it is to make these integrations that are very hard to do with AI alone, very possible with Tempo. Real quick, I want you to check out, so you see Tempo building in the Supabase Edge function, it's deploying it, and then it's building a few components, and then it's now writing the final app.tsx page. It's building the story port so I can see what it's built here. And mind you, all of this is done from just a single prompt. So this is what it generated in one prompt. Let's hit preview, and I'm going to click start planning. So this is the UI generator. Let's just say I want to go to San Francisco. I hope that's how you spell it. USA, or it's California, I think. California. So I'm going to select May 19th, and then we're going to do May 23rd. So I'm going to be there for a week. And let's say my budget is $2,000 or $3,000. I know San Fran is expensive, and I'm going to click Generate Travel Plans. So we're going to wait for our application to generate a plan. In the meantime, I want to go to Supabase, and then I want to go to Edge Functions. You're going to see that this Edge function, Supabase Functions Travel Planner, deployed 4 minutes ago. The Tempo's the one that did that. And you can see we've already called the application. So our Edge function is live. You didn't have to write the code. You didn't have to plan the code. Our MCP integration allowed for our Tempo AI agent to write the precise function we need to make this application work. If we go back, we see that my travel planner works. It says, here's a detailed travel plan for you to visit San Francisco May 19th to May 23rd on a budget of $3,000. This include must-visit spots, daily itineraries, dining options, and other travel advice. Accommodation, $1,000. It makes sense, $250 per night. That is SF for you. Foods and drinks, $600 average, $150 per day. Transportation, $200. Public transport and walking. Attractions, activities, $500. Miscellaneous. So it has a pretty good itinerary plan for me. Now, if I scroll down and I look at day one, it's to start your day off with Fisherman's Wharf, try some of the favorite seafood or pastries, take a scenic walk. It's giving me specific restaurants and specific places to see. Again, all it took to build that was Tempo, Perplexity, and one prompt using Tempo MCP's App Store. All it took was one prompt. Now imagine if you took time, if you designed the application well, if you planned out features, maybe even installed other MCP apps in your Tempo project, you can really build extensively productive and functional production applications here on Tempo. I hope this video inspires you and shows you how easy it is to integrate Perplexity's API into your applications. Happy building.